I'll show you how to install our S&B resonator delete on this L5P here. 2 steps. One, there's a 10mm nut behind here. So I'm going to loosen that up and then pull that nut out of here. With the nut gone, an 8mm or a flathead, we can loosen the hose clamp that holds the resonator in place. Pull the resonator up, twist it out. This is where that nut was. Install the S&B resonator delete. Tighten our hose clamp, and you are good to go. All of our S&B L5P intakes don't have a provision for the factory resonator and have a straight tube. So we're basically mirroring that with the factory intake system if you don't have an S&B intake installed.